A tan occurs when sunlight or artificial ultraviolet (UV) rays hit the skin, causing a pigment called melanin to form. Melanin is responsible for the brown glow we associate with tans, but it's also the skin's way of protecting itself against UV damage caused by the sun. Today in this video, I will share how to remove sun tan at home with gram flour. Take a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of olive oil and lemon juice. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to it. Mix all the ingredients well and apply it on the affected areas and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this procedure twice a week for effective results. Gram flour has great tan removal properties. The finely ground gram flour gently exfoliates the skin without causing any irritation. Moreover, it will help restore your skin's natural radiance while reducing tan. Gram flour works well for oily skin as it removes oil and unclogs pores. Experts say that olive oil may help you tan faster, but that's not necessarily a good thing. There's no safe way to tan, nor is there evidence that applying olive oil topically to the skin helps reduce the risks for sun damage, including skin cancer, aging, and burning. The reason why lemon is an excellent home remedy for suntan is that it is a very powerful natural bleaching agent. The vitamin C and citric acid present in lemon can remove tan, brighten your skin and add a healthy blush to it.